I would like to break down toppers to two main categories, be the temporary and permanent toppers. Toppers have such a bad rep because generally they are not applied properly or customized properly. To give you an example of a temporary topper, clip-on toppers are the most common one among that category. The second category would be toppers that are permanently attached. Actually, they are kind of semi-permanent. Among one of those, we have the microline mesh toppers. They are one of my favorite toppers because they are very flexible, breathable, and they are very comfortable on the head. With this topper, we integrate your own hair through it. The second type of permanent toppers are toppers that are attached with a bonding ring or with tape. I need to show you that. So toppers such as this are attached with a bonding ring. Generally with the permanent toppers, they're attached anything from 4 to 6 weeks with proper care and maintenance. Choosing a right topper is very difficult. It is even difficult for us because we have different bases, we have different textures, we have many things that we need to consider, just especially tailored based on what your hair look like. Let us help you with that.